There's a judge. This particular judge routinely mocked individuals in her courtroom, created memes. These memes and pictures and these text messages and emails all had racist overtones and undertones. They were bigoted, they were rude, they showed she had bias. Let's put up a picture of the judge. This is in Maricopa County, Arizona. A Maricopa County Superior Court judge and her staff mocked and ridiculed people during hearings and trials by routinely emailing each other cruel and obscene statements, jokes, and memes. The conduct happened in major felony cases, including high-profile murders. Let me give you some background to this judge and how extreme her behavior was and the ineffectiveness as it relates to holding her accountable. Okay, she's being protected. Emails and internal records obtained by ABC 15 show no one was off limits. Defendants, their families, jurors, witnesses, attorneys, even other court employees and top court officials were all part of this back and forth. They talked about everybody. The judge, her name is Erin O'Brien Otis. We got some extreme information here, not only about her behavior and the behavior of her staff, but also the oversight committee for judges decided to do nothing, and then they reported nothing to the bar. Well, after this segment, something will be reported to the bar. Here's some background, all right? ABC 15 has independently verified many of the allegations in the complaint filed with the commission. And that's your oversight committee for judges. The station obtained a collection of emails and memes sent from 2017 through 2019. Now remember, this is not all of them. This is what they have on the record confirmed. In addition to sworn statements and courtroom videos, many former staff members have come forward. In addition to the memes and emails mocking people in court, it stated Otis and her staff manipulated the judicial performance review process, had daily ex parte communications with defendants, and even held a birthday party for the son of a 6-time convicted defendant before his sentencing. On September 7th, 2017, this is one example. Juror number 30 was embarrassed. She was seated with dozens of potential jurors during selection from a 2-week-long trial, as Judge Otis asked if anyone had any physical conditions that would make it difficult to complete their duty. Juror number 30 spoke up. Juror number 30 said, and I quote, "My condition is embarrassing. I don't really want to." Otis responded, "Okay. Do you want to talk in private?" ? After the courtroom was cleared of jurors, the woman told Judge Otis, court staff and attorneys that she had a medical condition that gave her heavy and uncontrollable periods, making it impossible to sit through a trial that long. The judge thanked the woman, dismissed her from the jury, said no jury duty for you. I appreciate you bringing that to our attention. I don't want to put you in any situation where you are going to feel uncomfortable or anything like that, according to the judge. What jury number 30 did not know is that the bailiff, Barbara Chavez, was busy finding a cruel graphic. Here's the graphic. Yeah, it gets deeper. There's more. Arizona's judicial ethics rules state that judges, and I quote, "shall perform the duties of judicial office, including administrative duties, without bias or prejudice." That rule also applies to everybody on their staff. There's more. While a collection of emails obtained by ABC 15 show that the judge's bailiff initiated many of the memes, the judge did respond and participate. On October 11, 2018, Judge Otis first initiated this email chain about what a defense attorney was wearing. Here it is. This is during court, okay? They're talking about the cellulite of an attorney in their courtroom during court. Now remember, there are over 80 of these. We don't have every single one of them for this segment, don't have a long enough show to do it. But all of these were horrific, some of them even racist. There's more. Chavez and Otis exchanged multiple emails regarding the appearance of people in a defendant's family. Here's what they put up. What is this chick in the wheelchair doing with her hands? I can't see. At one point, I thought I saw her looking at the jurors with her hands in a praying motion. I need to nip that in the bud. Can you keep an eye on her? My line of sight is blocked. Then the response is, John's family looked like they came from the movie The Hills Have Eyes. Now remember, judicial code of conduct, they gotta be impartial, non-biased. Experts say they believe the State Bar Arizona should have investigated this to determine her fitness as an attorney, which is correct. State Bar should have investigated all of these. Plenty of evidence is all on the record. A formal investigation happened through the oversight committee, but officials from the bar said, hey, we were never notified of any of this, which is a violation of policy. The Commission on Judicial Conduct did not send us any information related to their investigation of Judge Aaron Otis. But guess who's sending them one today? Me. They will get one officially today. This whole story is going to the bar. But she released a lengthy statement talking about the judge, saying through a spokesperson, I've always tried to act with integrity. And she takes full responsibility for what happened. Well, good for you, because that's what's about to happen. Full responsibility will take place here, all right? David, all of this is happening during court. You have a judge that's obviously not fair, not playing by the rules, holding ex parte communications, having parties with people she should never have birthday parties for. And it's been going on for years.
This is about integrity, and integrity is not just what you do when you're in court or when you're on camera or when you're on the record. It's about what you do when you're just with your colleagues, when you're away from folks. Are you talking about other people? Are you joking about other people? Look, all of us, I'm sure all of us have made a mistake at some point in our life where we've said something that we thought was funny that really wasn't, that was inappropriate. But there's a difference between doing it once or twice and doing it 80 times. And there's absolutely no reason this woman should be on the bench. Any kind of judge, she shouldn't be dog catcher where she lives. This is outrageous.
Yeah, it is. And the fact that they tried to cover this up, there's a formal complaint, there's an investigation. The oversight committee investigates. They find the evidence to be credible. And what do? Instead of having an adverse judgment against her, instead of any discipline against her, they decide to not even report it to the bar for that state in order to make sure that she does not get her bar license suspended or revoked.